Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today we are going to talk about the knit two together decreases. This decrease forms a right leaning slant and they are perfect for everything you want to knit. I have also prepared a few swatches because I want to show you which left leaning counterpart decrease is the perfect match for the knit two together. I have included some timestamps so you can directly jump to the point in the video you want to watch. The knit two together is a right leaning decrease and we have to knit two stitches together to create one stitch. This decrease is really easy to learn and it's perfect for beginners. To work the knit two together, you have to knit the first two stitches on your left needle together knitwise. For this, insert your needle from left to right into both of the stitches, yarn over, pull your working yarn out through both stitches and then slip them off the needle. If you are a tight knitter, you can gently loosen the two stitches a little bit. I will show you how you can do that. Insert your right needle purlwise into both of the stitches and then gently pull them a little, but really gently, not aggressively, only gently. And then insert your needle again knitwise through both stitches, yarn over, pull your working yarn out and slip it off the needle. Let's work one more decrease together. So insert your needle knitwise through the first two stitches, yarn over and then pull your working yarn out through both stitches. This is a really easy decrease and it's leaning to the right. I have worked two more swatches because I want to show you how the right leaning looks together with the left leaning. So I have worked on the left side the right leaning knit two together and on the right side you can see the left leaning slip slip knit decrease. If you're interested in the tutorials and tips and tricks how you can work this decrease neater, I will add the link in the description down below. I have also worked another swatch where I work the left leaning knit two together through the back loop on the right side and you can see the twisted stitches on the base of the stitch, which I personally don't like. So when I can, I will avoid this combination together. I'm currently knitting a sweater where the sleeves are calling for a knit two together through the back loop decrease and I switched them to a modified SSK because it looks better. When I was a beginner, I often asked myself, why can't I knit a knit two together all the time? Why do I have to work an SSK here? But over time, you will learn that you need several increases and decreases techniques to shape your garments or work complicated lace patterns. And I just wanted to say take the time and watch good video tutorials. You don't have to watch mine, but learn this technique and go really into it. And it's so worth it in the end to learn everything there is. So, and that's already it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy. Until next time. Bye.